Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Project. In this module, I want to show you how you can sort out assignment issues. What I want to do is show you how to do an assignment delay, how to change the timescale so you can see the hour blocks, and how to link assignments so that you don't show an overallocation of resources. So first off, let's have a look at this. So I've got Bob on all of these tasks. So looking at the Gantt chart, that looks like he's doing everything at the same time, which obviously you can't do. Now in previous versions of Project, that would have flagged up red, but it doesn't do it in the newer versions, which is slightly irritating because he cannot physically be doing all those at the same time. So what you could do is you could use the timescale. If I just double click on the timescale and just go to one tier and put this one tier to hours for this, and then just change it to blocks of 4 hours and then click OK. Now I've just lost everything there, so if I go into the task area and then scroll to task, that'll bring it all back in to view, so you can actually see the actual durations, and you can move these now manually. So if I just push that one, say to 12 o'clock, and then I'll push this 1 hour task just to there, so it's following that. I don't want to add a link. Okay, and then I can just push this one into the afternoon. Obviously I've gone too far there, it's gone over a little bit. Let's pull it back like so. So now this is to manually adjust this slightly so I can get it so it sits right. So this is now just going a bit too far. Don't want a link. It's not letting me link that, so I'll just push this one back. See if I can pull this one back an hour or so. Okay, and then I should better push that one back to 12 o'clock. Don't want no links. So now I've got it there. So each of these tasks has now got its own little slot. I could have changed the timeline down a little bit more. So that's one way of doing it. Now if I do Control Z just to undo all that, back to square one. Because these are hours and it's going on in one day and there's 8 hours in a day, I could have just highlighted these and linked them, and then they would just follow on like so, which is okay. They're not all going on at the same time, but I don't want to do that either. Control Z to undo that. Another option is to give each of these tasks an assignment delay. So give Bob an assignment delay. He's going to do that. Then there's going to be a delay, and so on and so on and so on. Now to do that, I go to View, split the screen, and in the bottom half I need resource usage. So that's the resource usage. I'll just delete that column and re-add it. So I've just added assignment delay. There it is. And then you can basically give in hours the delays that you want. So this first task is going to be delayed by 1 hour, and then the second task is going to be delayed by 3 hours, and then that one by 5 hours, like so. And then it does that. You get these little dotted lines, which is the same as leveling would do. If you use leveling, it uses these split options sometimes, but you can see you've got it there, as you can see. And if I change these durations slightly, that will just move the order about. And in the resource usage sheet, you can see the allocated hours, as you can in this part, the table part as well. So this is just a very short video on how to use assignment delay or get the timescale changed so you can actually physically position a task in an hour block or link the tasks themselves to avoid an actual assignment delay that is not flagged red when it actually would be an overallocation. So hopefully this video is of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.